how to delete Passkey on Amazon account. So if you want to delete a passkey on your Amazon account, then first you need to open up your Amazon website. So you can simply go with the search and search for Amazon.com, or simply search for Amazon and go with Amazon.com, which is on the first. And it will take you to the website. Make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, go with the accounts on list option, which is on the upper right. Click on that. And here you will have your account. And under your account, you will have all of these information. So you just need to simply go with the second option, which is login and security. And under login and security, you need to make sure to enter the password and make sure to sign into your account. Once you've signed in, here you will have the name, email, mobile number, passkey, and everything, right? So you can edit each and everything. So if you want to delete a passkey, then simply go with the passkey option and then go with edit, which is here on the right side. Click on edit. Once you click on edit, now here you will have your passkey. I have one passkey. So if you want to remove or delete this passkey, go with the delete option, which is on the right side to delete it. Or if you want to add, then click on add a passkey and you'll be able to add it. So that's how you can delete your passkey on your Amazon account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.